Hi, and I'm back again with the Southern Skeins Vintage Lane Holiday Advent, and we are on day 13. So let's check this one out, and let's see what color this one is. And here is day 13, and we are back to some beautiful pink. That is just gorgeous, very pretty. And I think that'll go along really well with all the colors in our Advent. So let's pull some out. So that'll go along with all of these beautiful colors. And no, that's not all of them. They're getting to be too many to hold, actually. So yeah, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Stay tuned for tomorrow, and we will move on. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.